Hi everyone, this is my favorite Dollar Tree item in celebration of National Dollar Day. And this is hosted by Joanne from A Work in Progress. So let's get started. Sit back and relax, and I hope you enjoy. And with this challenge, we was asked to show our Dollar Tree items, and I'm going to show you the items that I get from Dollar Tree and how I use them in my decor and DIYs. When I go to Dollar Tree, I'm mainly looking for things I can use for DIYs and home decor. And so you'll see so many items here. Mostly my items here are just for that. So that's what you'll see in this video. Don't go there for shopping for anything else other than home decor and DIY. And these decorative gems are really one of my favorite items in the Dollar Tree that you may come across every now and then. In part of my DIYs, you'll see a lot of redos and restyle pieces, and from this to this. And Dollar Tree do have a good collection of trims that you can use for redos and remakes. And I'm redoing my kitchen, so this is really helpful as far as painting little paint jobs. This is my farmhouse DIY clock that I put together, and I was able to use some of those supplies from the Dollar Tree. Next, you will see one of my favorite items from the Dollar Tree, and that is, it will help me to put this wall art together. And you'll see coming up next a gallery of DIY that I've done using Dollar Tree items. So if you're not familiar with my DIYs and home decor, take time and go back and check them out. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe down below. If you have any comments, comment down below. So in comments, list one of your favorite items from the Dollar Tree. And who could resist their beautiful flowers, the wonderful flowers that they have at the Dollar Tree? I really have taken advantage of that and made some nice flower arrangements with my videos. So you will see that if you go back and check out my videos. Now I would like to thank Joanne at A Work in Progress and honoring this National Dollar Day. Thank you. Check out the playlist and subscribe, like, and share, and comment below. And thank you. See you next time.